Melbourne. The real city hides in its laneways, and you're stuck on the main street with everyone else. A guide rushing you past Hosier Lane's street art, past the gold rush tilework of Block Arcade. No time to actually look. Uvamai's Melbourne self-guided audio tour puts the city's full story in your hands. Your access link lands straight in your inbox, a full audio guide and an interactive map. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Start at iconic Flinders Street Station and wander into Federation Square. Trace the Ned Kelly legend through the old Melbourne jail and feel the roar of history at the MCG. Lose yourself in the State Library's reading room, then unwind by St. Kilda Beach. 20 landmarks, one unhurried journey. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Melbourne, not just photograph it. $6. Melbourne's laneways, legends, and landmarks. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.